It's a great day at Wolfe GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2022 GMC Terrain Denali. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Denali. Driver's door has a programmable memory seat for up to 2 drivers, power door locks, power windows, power side mirrors, the child lock button, the hands-free power liftgate where we're able to set the opening to maximum 3/4 or turn it right off, door storage with a cup holder, and you'll notice this Terrain comes with a premium Bose sound system. To the left of the steering wheel is the head-up display button and information tab, along with some lighting controls and the electric park brake, all-weather floor mats on the floor, a power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, jet black leather interior with Denali embroidery in both headrests. Next, I'll climb in and we'll take a look at the leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. The left side has our adaptive cruise control buttons with forward collision alert and a heated steering wheel button. And to the right are the audio controls and Bluetooth command. This is our driver information center. We're able to cycle through the dash using the arrow buttons found on the steering wheel. Overhead, the programmable garage door opener, interior light buttons, OnStar, and a place to store your sunglasses. Up next is GMC's Infotainment Center, equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time. It's also equipped with navigation. And this screen doubles as our backup camera. Surround vision allows us to change the camera view by simply pushing those buttons at the bottom of the screen. The shortcut buttons are also down below. Auto stop start, hazard lights, dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, electronic precision shifting, some USB ports and power plug-in, no slip matting, dual cup holders, park assist and self park, heated and ventilated front leather seats, hill descent control, lane departure alert, 2-wheel drive, all-wheel drive, and off-road mode. This is our wireless charging pocket. Simply place your phone in the pocket and it will charge your phone for you. At the front of the Denali, we have that unique Denali grille, signature C-shaped LED IntelliBeam headlamps, fog lights, 19-inch aluminum wheels, a 1.5-liter turbo engine under the hood. The side mirrors have side blind zone alert as well as the integrated turn signal indicator, front and rear splash guards, chrome roof rails up top, rear tinted windows, keyless entry and keyless start, remote start. As we make our way to the back, we have the rear window wiper and the hands-free power liftgate. I'm going to use our key fob, push that button twice to pop the liftgate open with ease. In the rear, we have cargo hooks, a cargo net, the cargo shade, the levers to fold the second row seats down, a power plug-in, cargo mats, and a storage compartment down below. Next, we'll be taking a look inside the back of this 5-passenger crossover. The passenger door has power windows, door storage, and a door speaker. The backs of both front seats have got leather seat pockets, the rear fans, heated rear outboard seats, some USB ports, and a power plug-in down near the floor. All-weather floor mats on the floor. Our middle seat here folds down into double cup holders or an armrest, and we're also able to lay these rear seats flat by pulling the seat release on the top of the seat. So come take a look at the 2022 GMC Terrain Denali, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at wolfegmcbuick.com. And to stay up to date on all things GMC, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons.